Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore how to add a description to a task in the Asana app. If you're managing projects or personal to-do lists, Asana makes it easier to stay organized and productive. First, open the Asana app on your phone. Next, navigate to the project where you want to manage your tasks. Then, tap on the task you want to edit. Once you open the task, you'll notice an option labeled Add Description. Click on it to begin writing. Now enter your description, making sure to include all the important details that will help you or your team understand the task better. Finally, when you are finished, click on the Save button located at the top right. Your task will now display the description you added, making it more detailed and useful for project management. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.